I can take pictures! This is tight. Oh, yes.
Okay, I'm Jade Keller.
Justin Kent.
And we're changing a tire. A how-to on how to change a tire.
First step we did was we popped off the hubcap. Now we're going to loosen the lugs, take off the tire and put the spare on. Recording this?
Just trying to see your struggles.
It's not that easy.
Yeah, fuck.
Okay, this is our auto video. And this is the car that we are going to change the tire on. And we're going to change this tire. So we get the tire from the back, which is right there. Get a nice look at that. Okay, that's what we do. This is Dog Summer.
She's helping.
And this is Lauren. This is Lauren. This is her video camera, so we gotta thank her.
Yeah.
Thanks, Lauren.
See it.
Do you record? Are you recording? Oh! We're loosening Justin's nuts on his car. It's on? Okay. And then we're gonna take off. No, then we're gonna jack up the car. And then taking off the nuts. And then take off the tire and put on the spare.
Now they're jacking up the car.
I'm taking off the lug nuts, then I'm going to take the tire off, put the spare on, tighten up the lug nuts and lower the vehicle.
Now they're taking the tire off. They already did, actually. And we're putting the spare on. I'm not doing anything, but they are.
Thanks, Jade.
Oh, no problem.
You have something to drink?
Do I have?
No, if you guys want something to drink.
Oh, no, I bought it.
Yeah,
It's all in the video.
Oh.
It's already in.
Oh, make Mr. Johnson have a good time.
Someone's probably gonna yell at me because I'm not wearing appropriate shoes.
You are. You have tennis shoes on. I can see them.
Yeah, my tennis shoes with laces. Johnson, I have boy tennis shoes on with laces. Not slippers. And we're gonna tighten them.
All the way though, because we tightened them all the way once they're on the ground.
Well, I know we're just tightening them a little bit. It's so much smaller than all the other ones. Looks so funny.
Can't it screw up your alignment having that?
Not necessarily.
Is this recording?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
You've only got 2 minutes, 45 seconds.
I think we'll make it good. So you got somebody lowering the vehicle, putting it on the ground.
Yep.
Dude, I have to type an essay still.
Well, right, Jade? Oh, we'll put your tires.
This sucks that I'm so bad at recording crap. Oh crap, I'm zooming. Hold on. Sorry, Johnson. Sorry. Camboard.
Now that the vehicle is on the ground, we tighten all the lug nuts.
In a crisscross fashion. Why is the camera sideways?
Oh. Sorry.
That was our how-to video on how to change a tire.